Hello everyone, I am currently in New Jersey with Brandon and we are here for something super exciting. Tomorrow night, Brandon is drumming for Suicidal Tendencies and they are opening up for the Misfits. He's filling in for Dave Lombardo, who is also in the Misfits, so he couldn't play both sets. So it's super cool that Brandon was asked to do this. It's such a wonderful opportunity and I'm so excited to be here with him. This is just gonna be such a great trip. After the show tomorrow on Sunday, we're gonna be heading into New York City and Brandon's parents are also gonna be here. And then on Monday, we're gonna be in Brooklyn together. And then he's heading off to tour in Europe. So anyways, this is gonna be our last weekend together for a couple of weeks. Right now, Brandon is with the rest of the band and they're getting food, but I decided to just stay in the hotel room and order something off of Uber Eats. So I'm waiting for my food right now and just chilling and watching TV, and I'm probably gonna go to bed soon because it's super late. It's past midnight and this has just been a long day of travel. Also, I wanted to share that I'm wearing the kimono that I showed you guys in my haul in my last video. I also posted a photo of my outfit on Instagram if you want to check it out there. Hello, it is now Saturday, a little past noon. So right now I am going to go to the mall because I forgot a slip for the dress I'm wearing tonight and it's just slightly see-through, so I feel like I'd rather play it safe and feel comfortable and go get a slip because I have the whole day to do nothing while Brandon is sound checking and doing other stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some Starbucks, go to Victoria's Secret, and see what I can find. Also, sty update. I don't even think this is a sty because it's lasted over a week, so I have no idea what it is. It doesn't hurt anymore. It's like just a lump on my eyelid. So I'm gonna start wearing makeup on it because I don't think there's an infection. I've been cleaning it a lot. If you have any idea of what this might be, please let me know. I know this is kind of gross, sorry, but it's really annoying. All right, so the mall was a success. I got my slip and then afterwards I had lunch with Brandon's parents who just arrived at the hotel a few hours ago. And just now I got ready for the show tonight, so I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I am wearing the dress that I showed you guys in my haul last week. And I wanted to wear sandals, but it is raining, so I'm just wearing clogs. And it is pretty cold, so I had to pair my denim jacket with it. And I'm also wearing these big dingly earrings. Like I said earlier, I don't think I'm gonna be able to film anything tonight, but So I definitely never said that earlier. Sorry, this vlog is such a mess. Let's continue. If I have any footage or any photos or anything, I will insert it right now. now.